Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best diabetic food is probably one of the most important aspects of managing your diabetes effectively, and choosing the right foods can significantly impact your blood sugar levels, overall health, and well-being. This video will guide you through some of the best food options for diabetics, helping you make informed choices to support a healthy lifestyle and manage your condition effectively. Number 5. Bumble Bee Snack Kit. It's the perfect on-the-go meal. This kit includes delicious chicken salad, crackers, and even a spoon. Made with fresh-tasting chicken, it's a premium snack that's ready to eat. Simply open and enjoy. This satisfying snack is perfect for a quick lunch or a tasty treat anytime, anywhere. It's a great way to add protein to your day. Check the packaging for detailed nutritional information. No refrigeration needed. It's ideal for hikes, sporting events, or any adventure. Enjoy it as a snack, lunch, or part of a larger meal. It's the perfect size for your lunchbox or bag. What we like? It's pre-portioned, requires no refrigeration, and is perfectly sized for your bag. If you need a quick and easy protein boost on the go, this is the perfect choice for busy days or outdoor adventures. It's ideal for those who value convenience without compromising on taste or nutrition. What people say. They are small and convenient to just throw in my purse. The chicken is good quality and tastes great, as do the crackers. Convenient and filling. I just got this set of 3 chicken salads and the expiration is about a year out. Got it on 4/27/2024 and the expiration date is 04/2025. This is always nice to take when traveling, out for the day, or to use for emergency purposes. Number 4. HighKey sugar-free cookies. These cookies are sweetened with monk fruit, erythritol, and stevia, making them a perfect keto and diabetic-friendly treat. Enjoy a delicious dessert without the sugar crash. With only 1 g net carbs per serving, these mini cookies are ideal for your keto lifestyle. Made with real almond flour, cocoa, and butter for a satisfying snack. These cookies contain no preservatives, gluten, or grains. They're a healthy and delicious option for those following a gluten-free diet. Kids and adults alike will love these sugar-free cookies. They're a guilt-free indulgence that's also a great weight loss snack. Indulge in chocolate chip, brownie bites, and snickerdoodle varieties. These cookies offer the taste of grandma's favorites without the added sugar. What we like? These cookies are sweetened naturally, making them suitable for keto and diabetic diets. If you're looking for a guilt-free indulgence that satisfies your sweet tooth without the sugar crash, then this is for you. They're perfect for those with a sweet tooth who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle. What people say. I firmly believe in eating things for taste as well as texture. I am eating these. I was surprised at how good they really are. The chocolate chip are salty as most have said, but the texture and flavor make up for the initial salty sensation. They are very good and satisfying when you want to binge on sweet salty. The snickerdoodles were good also, and I am not a fan of cinnamon, so that is saying something. The texture and flavor was good and satisfying. I've been doing a low-carb diet for a while now, but I do have a sweet tooth. I've tried lots of different low-carb or keto desserts and they all pretty much suck except these. I picked a bag of the chocolate chip cookies a while back at the grocery store to give them and try and absolutely loved them. I would loosely compare them to mini Chips Ahoy cookies, but they are flakier and they have a little coconut taste to it. They all taste pretty good, but I don't think any of them are as good as the chocolate chip. All of them are not quite as hard as a Chips Ahoy, but they're also not soft and chewy. They are the best low-carb dessert out there and it does kill that sugar craving. The variety pack I got had chocolate chip, snickerdoodle, and chocolate. These are perfect cookies. Most keto stuff tastes weird or isn't crunchy. This stuff tastes exactly like one of those little bags of miniature Famous Amos cookies or something and has a similar crunchy texture. These are just easier to crumble if you try it all. It genuinely feels like eating junk food, but they are also great crushed and mixed into Greek yogurt. The chocolate cookies taste like Oreos without the cream. Number 3. Bumble Bee Tuna Salad Kit. It's the perfect grab-and-go meal for busy days. This kit includes everything you need for a delicious and satisfying tuna salad snack. Made with premium Bumble Bee tuna, it's already mixed and ready to enjoy. Simply open and savor the taste. Each kit contains creamy tuna salad and crunchy crackers for a delightful combination. It's a satisfying snack for the whole family. It's a tasty and convenient way to get your daily protein. Check the packaging for detailed nutritional information. No refrigeration needed. It's perfect for adventures, picnics, or a quick lunch at work. Take it anywhere. This perfectly sized kit is ideal for your lunchbox or bag. Enjoy it as a snack, lunch, or part of a larger meal. What we like. It's a classic tuna salad that's pre-made and ready to enjoy anytime, anywhere. If you love tuna salad and need a convenient, protein-packed snack or meal, this is a great option. Its portability makes it perfect for lunchboxes, picnics, or travel. What people say. Such a good alternative to fast food. It's cheaper and healthier and you don't have to leave your house to get it. These are surprisingly tasty and easy to pull out when I need a quick snack. They are hearty and filling and so easy to store in cabinet. The product is very convenient, fresh, and tasty. Number 2. Rip Van Wafels Stroopwafels. Get ready to experience the delightful taste of our Dutch caramel and vanilla stroopwafels. They're the perfect healthy and delicious snack, anytime. Each wafer is packed with flavor and contains only 3 g of sugar, 0 g of trans fat, and 120 calories. Plus, it's a good source of fiber. We use only the finest natural ingredients. It's free of artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, trans fat, soy, and high fructose corn syrup. Made with a unique blend of bourbon vanilla, cinnamon, and molasses, it delivers an authentic and satisfying taste experience. These individually wrapped wafers are perfect for the office, lunchboxes, post-workout, or a quick breakfast. They're easy to pack and enjoy anywhere. Enjoy the convenience of 12 individually wrapped stroopwafels, ensuring each one stays fresh and delicious. What we like. It's a delightful treat with a surprisingly low sugar content. If you are looking for a satisfying snack that won't derail your healthy eating goals, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a sweet treat without the guilt. What people say. This is an awesome snack when you're craving something sweet. I love that they're low in sugar and have a higher amount of carbs and fiber compared to a lot of snacks my 5-year-old usually wants to eat. I suggest microwaving it for 15 seconds before eating. They get ooey gooey and so delicious. They taste pretty good and have good texture, very close to original stroopwafels. Number 1. Only Bean Crunchy Edamame. It's packed with 11 grams of plant-based protein. Each 100-calorie snack pack is perfect for the gym, office, or school. With only 2 grams of net carbs per serving, they're a guilt-free keto option. Enjoy them as a crunchy, protein-packed chip alternative. These healthy snacks are keto-friendly, gluten-free, kosher, and vegan. They're low in sugar, cholesterol, and have high fiber. Dry roasted and seasoned to perfection, they offer a satisfying crunch in every bite. Enjoy them straight from the bag or as a topping. Keep these convenient packs in your bag for a boost of energy anytime. They're a great alternative to other snacks. At just 2 WW points, it's the perfect salty snack for Weight Watchers and other health-conscious eaters. What we like. This snack is packed with protein and is low in carbs, making it ideal for keto and high-protein diets. If you are looking for a satisfying and nutritious snack that supports your fitness goals, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who prioritize protein and want a crunchy, savory snack. What people say. Each 100-calorie pack is packed with 11 grams of protein and only 2 grams of carbs, making them a perfect guilt-free treat for keto, gluten-free, and vegan diets. Great snack. Packed with protein, crunchy, low-cal, low-fat and surprisingly filling for such a small snack. This is a great, healthy, low-carb snack. It was fresh, crunchy, and just salty enough. Perfect size to take on the go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.